Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In this video, we'll discuss how to build a report in NetSuite. Go to Reports, Reports Overview. You can either customize an existing standard report or click New Report to build one from scratch using a record type, e.g. Customer, Sales Order, Item. For this video, I'll create a new Sales by Customer report. Click the Customize button. Add the fields you want to display. You can move the fields to the left or right as needed. You can also rename the custom label to better reflect its purpose. Additionally, you can group fields with the previous columns for better organization. Here's how the report will look after grouping the fields. Let's go back to customization. Enter a report name in the Name field to identify it easily. Set filters to control what data appears. For this report, I'll set up a few customer examples to demonstrate the setup. Click the Show and Filter region. You can also change the filters in the Reports page and click Refresh to update the data. Note that all fields and recent changes are now reflected in the report we've built. And that's how you build a report in NetSuite. And that wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.